Hey, what is up, YouTube? Thank you very much for tuning into my channel, Lando Tech, and boy, have I got some interesting news for you. In this video, I want to show you how you can convert a picture into text that you can edit in a Word document. To get this to work, you'll just need Microsoft Office, and you won't need to download or install anything extra. The first step is to take a picture of the item that you want to convert to a Word doc. For me, I've taken the picture of a page from a novel, and I've already transferred that picture over to my laptop. Once you have your own picture transferred over, the next step is to open up Microsoft Word. Create a blank Word document. Then drag and drop the picture into the blank document. Now, click File, Save As. Select the location you want to save the file. Click the Save As type dropdown and choose PDF. Now, type in your desired name for the file and click Save. The saved PDF file will open up in either a web browser or a PDF reader. You can close it and then go back to Word. From Word, click File and open the PDF file that you just saved. You'll then get a pop-up message letting you know that it's about to attempt to convert the PDF file into a Word document. The conversion isn't always 100% accurate. If you're okay with that, click Continue. After the conversion is complete, you'll then see that your image is now editable text. It's currently surrounded by a border, but you can easily get rid of that by highlighting all the text and selecting No Border. You can also select and delete any images that may be left behind. And there you have it. Now you know how to convert an image to a Word doc. Thank you very much for watching my video, guys. If you found this helpful, please click the like button. If you want to see more videos like this, subscribe by clicking my logo at the bottom right of this video. Don't forget to click the notification bell to be notified when I drop a new video.